Let's set up a statistical analysis in EzSolve, starting by opening the investigation workspace. Select the branch related to brewing equipment and calibration. Open the Statistical Analysis section for this investigation. Start a fresh analysis by clicking Create a new analysis. Rename the analysis so it is easier to identify later. Open the search field to choose the related verification or action item. Select the verification for ambient temperature and material thickness effects on cooling rate. Move to Step 2 Setup to define the analysis structure. Enter the response name for the measurement being analyzed. Add the response units so the measurement scale is clear. Click into the replicates field to adjust the number of repeated runs. Set the replicates value to 3 for the analysis. Open the axis and marker options to configure how factors appear on the chart. Confirm the axis and marker arrangement for the Multivari view. Open the response summary option to choose how values are aggregated. Select the preferred summary method for the response values. Add the first factor to the analysis setup. Name the first factor so it matches the variable being tested. Choose cooling fan speed as the first factor with low and high levels. Save the cooling fan speed levels. Add another factor for the next input variable. Name the second factor before assigning its levels. Open the factor selector to update the second factor. Select material thickness as the second factor. Set the first material thickness level to thin. Set the second material thickness level to thick. Review the high-level entry to make sure the label is correct. Click the level editor area to finish adjusting the material thickness levels. Save the material thickness levels. Add a third factor for the final input variable. Name the third factor before selecting its levels. Choose ambient temperature as the third factor. Set the first ambient temperature level to low. Set the second level to 20 degrees Celsius. Save the ambient temperature levels. Open the measurements section to enter the experiment data. Click the paste area for tabular data in the required factor if already available from Excel, or click Generate Sheet for manual entry. Open the Charts section to review the Multivari results. Move ambient temperature outward to adjust the chart nesting. Move ambient temperature outward again to place it at the outer chart level. Use the AI summary option to describe the Multivari line patterns. Confirm the AI summary action by clicking OK.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more EzSolve tutorials.